Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today, I'll be showing you how to limit your download speed on the Epic Games Launcher. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Epic Games Launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games guys and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you have in your Epic Games account and all the games that you can buy in the store. So guys, let's say that we have started downloading some game from our library or from the store that we want to start installing. So guys, let's say that we want to use less internet speed that it is using so that we have more internet for us. So guys, how do we do it? Well, it's very easy. The first thing you want to do guys is go right here in the upper right corner where your profile picture is. You want to go ahead and click on that icon right there guys, and now after clicking on that guys, this will open up a new drop down menu where you can see multiple options such as seeing your achievements or editing your settings or seeing your account info and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and click the second option right here called settings. So guys, go ahead and click on settings, and now this will bring you to this new page where you will be able to edit your settings about your account. So guys, what we want to do is scroll down a bit and find this option right here called throttle downloads. So this is the option that we'll be using for limiting our download speed. So go ahead and click on throttle guys, and as you can see, now you can see set what throttling speed you want and what kilobytes you want. As you can see, it is currently limited. Let's say I want to download only 400 megabytes per second. So kilobytes, excuse me guys. So I'm going to go ahead and type in 4000, and now this will download 4 megabytes per second and maximum speed. So guys, what I'm going to go back now, let's say that I'm going to start installing this game. So I'm going to go into downloads, and as you can see here guys, it is downloading only up to 4 megabytes. It will not go above that. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.